Good morning. You're watching Gatividhi Whips. I am Sachi Gupta and I bring to you all the events held at Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies Technical Campus, Guru Govind Singh Indraprastha University during the months of November and December 2025. Vivekananda School of Law and Legal Studies organized Antarnath 4.0 on 4th November. The chief guest for the event, Shri Akash Patil, Director Dr. Ambedkar International Research Center under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, said, National Service Scheme WIPS TC in collaboration with Udyat Foundation organized a mental health suicide prevention workshop on 6th November. The Career Counseling Training, Internship and Placement Cell of Vivekananda School of Law and Legal Studies organized a panel discussion titled From Skilled to Upskill Training Program on 6th November. The panelists for the discussion were Advocate Isha Agarwal, AOR Senior Legal Consultant, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India, and Advocate Meeru Gupta, Vice President General Counsel, Bata India Limited. Vivekananda School of Law and Legal Studies organized the WIPS 10th Moot Court Competition on International Law 2025 on 7 November. The valedictory ceremony was graced by 4 sitting judges of Delhi High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Saurabh Banerjee, Honorable Mr. Justice Girish Katpalia, Honorable Mr. Justice Manoj Jain, and Honorable Mr. Justice Ravindra Judeja, whose presence elevated the proceeding. The final rounds were adjudged by Mr. Rakesh Tiku, Senior Advocate, Designated Senior Member Executive, Executive Committee, DHCBA, Professor Dr. L. Pushpa Kumar, Director, ILC, Professor of Law, Faculty of Law, University of Delhi, and Ms. Suruchi Agarwal, Senior Advocate, Delhi High Court. Vivekananda School of Journalism and Mass Communication organized its annual media festival Spandan 2025 on 10th and 11th November, celebrating the theme 25 years of WIPS TC. Spandan commenced with the inaugural session, followed by the flagship event Media Panchayat 2025 held at WIPS Auditorium. The panel discussion was themed Content to Clickbait, Who Shaped the Public Discourse in the Past 25 Years. The panel included Mr. Pramod Kumar Singh, Social Media Head, Press Information Bureau, Ms. Pooja Rathore Sharma, News Anchor, News 24, Ms. Gunjan Sharma, Assistant Editor, Press Trust of India, Professor Dr. Charulata Singh, Dean, VSJMC, and Professor Siddharth Mishra, Chairperson, VSJMC and VRC. Other major events included Kavyam Poetry Battle, WIPS Got Talent, Obscura, Cypher-e-Dilli, Pitathon, Sanskriti, Console Cup, and live radio. On 11 November, Spandan began with event RJ Hunt, Advertising Jingle Creation Competition. The chief guests for the event were RJ Swati and Abbas Haider. Other events included Jagore, Reel Making Competition, Vichar Prabha Debate Competition, Surdarya, Treasure Hunt for Marketing, and concluded with the grand finale titled Yahan Ke Hum Sikandar, marking a vibrant and memorable close to the 2-day festival. Vivekananda School of Engineering and Technology organized a national conference titled Building LLMs for India's Linguistic Landscape, Issues and Challenges on 13th and 14th November. The key speakers for the event was Professor Mansaf Alam, Department of Computer Science, Jamia Millia Islamia. Vivekananda School of Journalism and Mass Communication hosted a talk on the recently launched book Press 9 for Crime, written by Shailendra Jha, novelist, screenwriter, director, and ex-journalist on 19th November. National Cadet Corps WIPS TC hosted a talk on the recently launched book Kashmir in the Line of Fire, written by retired Major General Ranjan Mahajan, SM, VSM on 26th November. Initio, the annual management fest of Vivekananda School of Business Studies organized a pre-event Bismil Ki Mehfil, a heartfelt jamming session on 26th November. Delhi School of Business organized a podcast session with Alok Ranjan, a rising star entrepreneur, on 27th November. Vivekananda Research Center WIPS TC conducted a 5-day faculty development program from 1st December to 5th December on innovative research methods in social science, technological integration, and NEP 2020 perspective. Vivekananda School of Engineering and Technology on 4th and 5th December conducted a cybersecurity podcast on artificial intelligence. Vivekananda School of Engineering and Technology organized an international conference on artificial intelligence and cybersecurity 2025 on 4th and 5th December. The chief guest of the event was retired Lieutenant General A.B. Shivane, PVSM, AVSM, VSM, former Director General Mechanized Forces and Strike Corps Commander, Indian Army. The key speaker of the event were Dr. Utpal Chakravarti, founder and chief scientist, Ghana AI Lab, co-founder Indic AI, Mr. Amit Dubey, author and national security expert, Dr. E.L. Bovilsky, co-founder and co-CEO of Condip Strategy Advisor, Mr. Michael Burns, digital and AI leader. Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies organized a research incentive award function on 5th December. On 16th December, Delhi School of Business Studies hosted a session on bridging academia and industry, how to build entrepreneurial readiness for the future. The key speaker for the session was Mr. Prateek Jain, Government Relation, Public Policy, Corporate Affairs expert and consultant to the Alliance of Digital India Foundation. On 16th December, Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies conducted the inauguration ceremony of Call for Action Kartavyo Ki Pukar by Shri Ram Lal Ji, Akhil Bharatiya Sampark Pramukh at Rashtriya Swayam Seva Sangh. Vivekananda School of Engineering and Technology celebrated the National Mathematics Day, the legacy of Srinivas Ramanujan on 22nd December. With these, we end the events of the month. Thank you for being with us and watching the activities, the Gatividhis of November and December 2025 at WIPS TC. We will be back again next month with new updates.